Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over creating your own bow one-step. Now this is a bit different from creating a kata, which is a single person exercise. A bow one-step, or kumite, is done with a partner. So we're going to have two people for this. One is the bad guy, the attacker. The other is the good guy, the defender. And the good guy gets to win. The bad guy gets defeated. Now this starts with the bad guy making an attack. So you've got to decide on what attack or attacks is the bad guy going to do. Since the bow is a double-ended weapon, you can have one strike with it or you can have two strikes with it. Either one is just fine. You've got to decide definitely on what it is the bad guy is going to do. Once you've decided on that, then it's time to build your defense. You're the good guy. How are you going to protect yourself? Are you going to block the attack? Are you going to evade it, sidestep it? Are you going to do some kind of combination of both? And then, as the good guy, you're going to counterattack. You have got to disable your opponent so that they cannot continue attacking you and you can withdraw safely from them. An example of a counterattack would be, say, a low strike to the knee with your bow. You hit your attacker on the knee with this staff. That knee doesn't work right anymore. They should not be able to follow you. You should be able to disengage from them safely. So, again, you've got a bad guy who is attacking, you've got a good guy, that's you, you're defending, you get to win. Now, to demonstrate how this process works in practice, Miss Della Bible is going to come in to show you how she has created her own one-step. Miss Bible?
As previously stated, I am Della Bible, and I will be showing you an example of how to formulate a one-step. The first thing that I do, because it has to start with an attack, I start from a natural stance. And I've decided that my attack will be an overhead strike from judo. So, I step back in a partial evade, and I bring my bow forwards. In an actual strike, this would be pushing their block to the side. From here, I figured that they would attempt to strike again. So I, too, would step back, evade again, and do another block. But because if we continued in this pattern, we would simply be looping the same thing over and over, I bring my bow and make their bow swing around like a lever, and then I step forwards and strike to their knee. Because as Mr. Booker stated, that will incapacitate them. Would my assistant, Miss Blake, come in? She will be attacking from Jodon in the pattern that we previously discussed. 1, 2. Swing the bow, step forwards, strike to the knee, back away. One more time, I think. 1, 2. Swing the bow, step forward, strike to the knee, back away. Maybe switch directions. And from this side, 1, 2. Swing the bow, step forward, strike to the knee, back away. Thank you, Ms. Blake. That's it for my example. Good luck in formulating your own bow one-step.